Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel, the Travlin Prof. Today's Russian word of the day, day 19 in the series, is cheese.
Сыр, сыр,
All right, this word's fun. It's got that really difficult for English speakers sound, uy. Did I say it right just then? Uy. Okay, so I'm going to guess it's pronounced sir. Really? Okay, so the word is sir. And it took me a long time before I could say the uy sound with any consistency. One thing that I figured out in my most recent trip to Ukraine when I was trying to practice this sound is that it's almost what an English speaker would say in the word sailor, the at the end and you just kind of lengthen it and turn it into an e at the end with your mouth. So say uy, almost. It's kind of hard to explain. You can try practicing it like that to make it sound correct. Let me know if you get it in the comments down below. We'll see you again tomorrow when we release our new video for Russian Word of the Day. If you like this video, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel. It helps out the YouTube algorithm. We'll see you again tomorrow. Until then, get curious and start digging.
сыр, сыр.